So hey everyone, in this video we will see how to install a kick plate on a Samsung dishwasher. Panel, screws and noise guard guide. So check that the rubber kick plate gasket is attached to the bottom edge of the kick plate. Hold the door rubber skirt taut and push the kick plate inward under the dishwasher door. Then ensure the kick plate gaskets are flush with the door or in cabinet sidewall. Align the screw holes on the kick plate with the brackets on the dishwasher frame. Then insert and tighten the screw to secure the kick plate. Thanks for watching.